Hi friends, we're going to do our color poetry lesson now. For our lesson, all we need is some things to write with and your web, which you should have already done. If you haven't already done it, that's okay. Watch the lesson and then you can take a blank one of these when we're done and make a color web. And I'll show you mine so you know what we're talking about. You should also have, there are 3 types of paper I sent by email, and I also put them in the files on Facebook. So there are 3 types of paper because there are 3 different ways you might want to do the poem. First, there's the rainbow rhyme, which I'll explain later. But this one has a lot of the words already in it for you, and you can add the color words that you want to make it a rhyming poem. Then there's this one. It looks like an easel. It's got a few lines here. I'll show you a different type of poem I did on that. I think I did a repeating poem on that one. Repetitive. And then there's this crayon with a bunch of lines. You can use it to do almost any type of poem. Okay, so let's begin. So last time we met, earlier this week, I did orange, as you can tell by this room. And I've already told you it's my favorite color. So for orange, last time we met, I had just drawn pictures of orange juice, a sunset, a daylily, and a happy face. And then while we've been away, since that lesson, I've added words: orange juice, daylily, happy, and sunset. Okay. So these are the words I'm going to use in my poem. So first, using the rainbow rhyme paper, which was, sorry, I should be more organized. This one. I did this. So it says, My Rainbow Rhyme by Mrs. Skiffington. Can you see the whole thing? There we go. And it says, my favorite color of the rainbow is orange. It's the color of a daylily, you see, and the color of the sunset. Yippee! More than the rest, I like orange the best. So you can hear how that rhymes. I just wanted to read it, and now I'll point to the word so you can see where I inserted the word. So, My Rainbow Rhyme by Mrs. Skiffington. My favorite color of the rainbow is orange. It's the color of a daylily, you see, and the color of the sunset. Yippee! More than the rest, I like orange the best. So you can see where I put in my words and you can put in your color words. That's one way. Another one I did was using this paper. And I did kind of a repetitive poem on that one. It's an orange is poem. So here it is, Mrs. Skiffington, and it says, orange is orange juice. Orange is a daylily. Orange is the sunset. Orange is so happy. And then here I just drew the sunset and colored in the easel. That space there is for anything you want to draw that goes with your poem. So that's another way you could do it. And then the last way, like I said, you can use this for almost anything because you can see it's got a lot of lines. And this one I really had to sit down and think about because I would try to make a rhyming poem. And for me, those are the trickiest ones to make because you don't always use your words at the very end of the line and it's not a bunch of repetition, but I tried my best. So here's mine. I titled it, I Love Orange. Okay. And it says, orange makes me happy each and every day, from when I drink my orange juice until the sun has gone away. I see it in the garden, daylilies grow so tall. Yes, orange makes me happy. It's the best color of all. By Mrs. Skiffington. So that's another way you can do it. So put your thinking caps on. Make sure you get your tools if you need sight words, if you need to sound out stretch out your sounds, use your Alpha Friends chart. You can use your magic lines. That'll help you. And then come up with a poem. Any one you want to do, you can put it in the comments below. Take your time. It's not something you have to do today. Do it next week. Do it over the next, few days. And then show me then. Just, take your time. Be thoughtful with your poem. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks. See you soon.